For most products, packaging is the consumer's first physical interaction with a brand, and that's why it's so important that the design and quality of that packaging matches that of the product inside. Packaging comes in a variety of styles, sizes, and materials, but whatever the type of packaging you're designing, SolidWorks has a range of excellent tools to help you get there fast. Let's take a look at how. From a folded cardboard box to a plastic molded food tray, the advanced modeling capabilities in SolidWorks allow you to get your designs into 3D extremely quickly. And dynamic links between product and packaging make it easy to update following any design changes. Despite the name, the versatile sheet metal tools lend themselves perfectly to the design of cardboard packages, allowing you to model in every tab and slot and check for a perfect fit. The folded 3D box can then even be developed for profiling. Plastic molded containers are easy to create too. Using the range of modeling tools available, you can check parting line positions and evaluate draft. SolidWorks can even help you to develop the molds. For those packages that are more organic in shape, enter SolidWorks Surfacing, a powerful suite of tools perfectly placed to enable you to capture every sweeping curve and radius, ensuring that your packaging and the product inside are perfectly aligned. Committing to a high volume run of packaging is an expensive process, and one that you don't want to get wrong. SolidWorks provides evaluation tools to help ensure your design can be manufactured. However, that is just one part of the overall process. You also need your design to look and feel right. SolidWorks Visualize allows you to create photorealistic images of your design directly from your CAD data. You can explore different textures and appearances without a single prototype being made. Visualize is a great tool to use internally for review or as a way of selling your idea to a client. When you've spent so much time and effort in creating the perfect product and the perfect packaging, you don't want your product instructions to let you down. And with SolidWorks Composer, you can make sure they won't. You can repurpose your 3D CAD data and create perfect technical illustrations to use in your manuals and marketing collateral. These are just a few capabilities of SolidWorks. If you would like to know more about how SolidWorks could help your company to design faster and create better products, please visit our website or get in touch using the details on screen.